Welcome to my channel.
Hi friends, welcome to Kiddy World TV. Today I am going to tell you the story of Greedy Dog. Once upon a time there was a dog. He was very hungry. On his way he found the bone. He reached the stream. The dog passed by the stream. On his way, he saw the reflection of himself in the water. He thought an other dog with a tasty bone. He wanted to get it and opened his mouth. He dropped his bone because of his greed. The dog lost his own tasty bone. Moral: greed is curse. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe.